What's up, everyone, and welcome to Creatively Enhanced, the show that is dedicated to visual artists and creative entrepreneurs. I'm your host and artist mastermind, Chantel. Today, I'm going to start this episode with a Bible scripture that I apply as a declaration towards my entrepreneurial journey as an artist. Proverbs 10:4, New King James Version says, "He who has a slack hand becomes poor, but the hand of the diligent makes rich." And when I read this scripture, it implies that when I do not work, I am at a standstill. There is no revenue generating for me. However, when I use my hands to work, I am consistent and diligent to my calling, and I am rich, and I make room for God's abundance in my life. Oftentimes, we as artists or business owners are looking for quick solutions to making money, but I believe diligence creates stability in our finances and our financial goals for the future. Art is a form of expression that has been around since the beginning of time. It is a form of communication that is used to express emotions, thoughts, and feelings. Art is also a form of entertainment that can be enjoyed by everyone. God gave us this gift as being artists because we are the visual expression of Him. The history of art is vast and varied. It can be traced back to where cave paintings were found in France and Spain, and in ancient Egyptian tombs and pyramids. There are many different types of art. Some of the most popular types include painting, sculpture, photography, and printmaking. Now, I believe the importance of art, it lies in the ability to express emotions and feelings and ideas effectively without resorting to words. Art serves multiple purposes, from conveying emotions and capturing moments to informing and inspiring. It can be used as a tool for self-reflection and can trigger feelings of joy and inspiration or sorrow and sadness. Art stimulates and entertains and can be shared among friends and family. Art has the potential to heal, ignite passion, and foster creativity. It can also be used to bring attention to a cause, shed light on an issue, and communicate thoughts and ideas in an emotional way. Through art, stories can be told, values can be shared, and emotions expressed. Being that art can be used as a form of expression, it gives opportunity to profit from our creative advancements through different ways of selling artwork. So here are some of my ideas of how to make money from your art. So number 1, sell your original art. Yes, that art piece that you have been working on that is an original. Number 2, turn your original artwork into digital art files such as screensavers and sell it at a low cost. Number 3, turn original art into art prints. There are art enthusiasts that love art, however, not always can they afford an original art piece. So turning your art into art prints is a low cost effective way for the world to experience your craft. Number 4, turn your art into NFT art. There is a system and a process to NFT art, and it cannot be duplicated. NFT is sold in the NFT marketplace. I will have an episode about this coming up, in blockchains, breaking down NFT and everything. So number 5, turn your art into products through print on demand. One of my ways that I make money is selling my art on products and designs through print on demand companies such as Printful. They have a various amount of products that you can add to your art store and sell directly to customers without having any inventory. Number 6, get your art licensed through art licensing companies to display in retail stores such as Target, West Elm, and other commercial facilities. This is such a lucrative way of also making money. You have to be prepared, though, to have a portfolio of your art to present to companies, and you go through the approval process. Typically, commissions is based on the percentage of the art sold through the company. Number 7, get your art license through art licensing companies to display in hospitality companies such as hospitals, hotels, and restaurants. Sell your art online through social media. Number 8, social media includes Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I honestly feel like this is number one because majority of my art sales have came from Instagram. Number 9, sell your art through e-com platforms such as Etsy, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, or through your own website. Number 10, become an illustrator or learn how to illustrate and sell your illustrations. Illustrations can be profitable through creating stickers, illustrating books, children's books, and coloring books, just to name a few. Number 11, sell commissioned art. There is nothing more fulfilling than having someone reach out for a custom piece. Number 12, start a YouTube or social media account making videos and monetizing through those platforms. You'd be amazed to know how many purchases of art come through the YouTube videos. Number 13, host live parties such as sip and paint parties or instructional paint sessions. Number 14, host live painting sessions at open mic nights, weddings, baby showers, and parties. Number 15, earn commission by turning your art into patterns and sign up for companies such as Spoonflower to print your art on home decor, wallpaper, and fabric. Number 16, rent your artwork to commercial businesses such as home stagers or interior designers. Number 17, learn graphic design and become a graphic designer. Number 18, host workshops to assist other art business owners by sharing your art and expertise. Number 19, make tutorials and use platforms to sell art courses using Thinkific or Patreon. And lastly, number 20, turn your art into journal and book cover designs using print-on-demand companies to sell your art through, like Amazon KDP. Once you've decided on which art products you want to offer and how you want to sell them, you need to find your market to make money with your art. Here are some ideas to get you started. Connect with artists, galleries, and agents. Attend art and craft fairs to showcase your work. Create a blog to showcase your artwork and build a devoted audience. Use the blog to sell digital and physical products as well that will drive traffic back to your website or social media accounts. Connect with influencers by reaching out through social media to build relationships, share your art, and direct people back to your products and services. And lastly, get publicity by reaching out to news stations, magazine and newspaper companies, and other media outlets to gain exposure. Finding the right art market to sell your artwork and build your audience is crucial to making money with your art. Success in selling your artwork, it comes with practice and marketing tactics. Make sure you create artwork on a regular basis to become creatively enhanced. Take the opportunity to collaborate with other artists and network within other art fields. Develop an online presence and engage with passionate people who would appreciate your art. Have fruitful conversations with potential buyers and provide them with memorable experiences. This can play an important role in putting your artwork on top. And remember that art collectors will always trust a reliable artist that shows honesty, value, and integrity. So, give your best shot while making your art and promote it. Research the fields you're interested in and stay updated with the technology trends in order to stay ahead of the competition. And of course, don't forget, enjoy the process. After all, it's all about passion and creativity. Bring your imagination to life because you are creatively enhanced.